Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So you guys, this is what I do with my hair if I'm just gonna do an oil wash or oil rinse. I just put the oil, I rinse out whatever products that's in my hair, and it just depends on if I did a pre-poo, and sometimes I won't even do a pre-poo. I will just get my hair really saturated, like so. So this is how I do a hot oil treatment, because you guys wonder, is like, okay, so when you do a hot oil treatment or a oil wash, like, do you rinse out the oil out of your hair? And no, I do not. I feel like the camera looks a little bit darker because I'm under a skylight, but I think the sun is going down since I, what do you call it? The sun has went down a lot. The sun has went down a lot since I started these videos, and it's like 8:20 at night now, and I started at 3 o'clock. But I get my hair really wet, making sure, like, I'll probably get my hair wet for about 10 minutes or so. Squeeze as much water out of my hair that I can. And since it's so late at night, y'all, I am gonna blow dry my hair or blow dry my roots, because the older I've gotten, I feel like I didn't get that rinsed out too well. But since this is my own conditioner, I'm not too worried about it being left in my hair. I just want to make sure that it's not gonna look white in my braids, because that'll be a whole wash day for nothing if my braids still look kind of crummy. Maybe I should kind of rinse it out. Oh no, it came out. It's not bad. Okay, but look at my hair. I feel like my camera looks a little foggy now. But what I like to do for hot oil treatment is wet my hair really good, and then I use my DIY oil. And like I keep saying, hopefully this oil is on sale, because if it is on sale, I'm going to leave the link down below. And then first, I like to start out with the length of my hair, because when I'm doing a hot oil treatment, most of the time, this is like the only product that I like to put in my hair when I'm doing hot oil treatments. And then I will just leave my hair in a bun or a ponytail, but that's the way that I wear my hair anyways. So I start out with the roots, or not the roots, the ends of my hair. And you guys, you see how much I'm pouring in there, so I'm not being light-handed at all. And my oil is pretty much castor oil base, so it is a pretty thick oil. I really like the feel of an oil on my hair, and because I don't wear my hair down, I don't have a problem or an issue with worrying about my hair getting my clothes and stuff greasy, because I'm putting it up in a bun or a ponytail. So I just make sure I just rub that oil throughout the length of my hair, getting it super moisturized, because my hair is wet with water. And as you guys can see how much my curls is just popping on the end. I'm trying to stand on my tippy toes, but my curls is like really happy. They're really moisturized. And now I'm gonna go in on my scalp. Hopefully you guys, yes, you can see that. So now I'm gonna put the oil on my scalp. I like to rub my hands together, get it on my edges, and then just kind of smooth the oil down the length of my hair on my scalp. And then I also like to take the bottle itself and just pour the oil straight on my hair. But I also like to be really careful when I do this, because this is the part where you can have oil just running down your head if you're not careful with the amount of oil that you put in your hair on your scalp this way. So for the most part, I do like to just put it in my palm of my hand, and then I can control how much of the oil is getting on my scalp. And I just give myself a really nice scalp massage. Get that all throughout my hair. If you guys see little pieces in my hair, that is rosemary. Like right here. That's rosemary. And most of the time they just fall out, so I'm not too worried about the rosemary that comes out, because I don't like my oils to just be so bare, like where there's nothing else floating in there. But I mean, you know, it's good. But look how much happier my hair is now that I put that in there. So what I like to do next is get a plastic bag. I also have a heated cap. So I will put the plastic bag on my head, let it sit for about like 30 minutes. If I'm on the go, I'll put a hat on my head, or else I sit with a heated cap on my head to speed up the process. Or I will just style my hair and put it in a ponytail from here. And this is how I will do my oil washes or my hot oil treatments. I either both do them in conjunction, because it's like I'm already putting this much oil in my hair, and this is my style for like the next 4 or 5 days until I either want to re-wet my hair, and then I'll put a cream in my hair, and then I'll put an oil on the top of my hair after I re-mist my hair. But that's what I do. I will let this dry, but because it's so late at night, I am going to blow dry my hair because I don't want to go to bed with wet hair. But I would normally do this earlier in the day for my hair to dry faster. But I'm only going to really dry the roots, so my roots isn't really wet. And I might put a plastic bag on the ends of my hair just so that they don't still kind of drip. But yeah, you guys, this is what I do for my hot oil treatment / water wash. So if you really like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.